Member no be kuntopa, obeti boboli bobo. Member no be kunu, obeti boboli bobo. Member no be fobiere, obeti boboli bobo. Member no be shintampi, obeti boboli bobo. Member no be apuse sram, obeti boboli bobo. Sawusro, adaya subeba beti boboli bobo boy. Sawusro, mama, adaya subeba beti boboli bobo. With me, just on Adom 106.3 FM. Check the time now, just about 24 minutes to 4. Adom 106.3 FM. My main friend, you will call it China Miss Ansha. Oh, Abana will to the Monday now. Your cash is now won't ya. Why would Miss Opus or cause a vote? Say, what to now say no. Net the first one. Oh, now bet you will volleyball. By 8 December there. But get ready for a shocker. What I say? Oh yes. We say me minim diobewi. Say mokai. Ofie Kwanso there. You know what I'm talking about. Election year, Monday, yeah, minimum the obey new. Then so your mommy warning. Na said the idea no econo, the obey no or but the betimi si ama the obey no onya enwi no. Sadia no so NC, just a Sadia NC. Hey, Charlie, let's say me damn me now. Oh, me show you. Ella, me check sign your money there. Say me who science now. But so far no, she see assistance no said you can't share me no. Sa. Oh, na me senka Miankasa na de ba me so diet and na sen come so me nyame difo a me say nka say ya na me ko me ma me gina ho openly and na nyame yi kire me na me wu say na me wu say na me ti no say dia ye dia say ebe na nyame ya say awiemu nya ne sachre na say nyame sachre mu na wo ye in fact asofo na mode dan sorry akese ano na mo se mo ye nyame adifo nyame timi ne mo kasa no afro me difo ko kumeza ka kire Ghana for say amo se mo tie nyame ne mo kasa no enti openly aya mo kan sembi tilted towards baby out me so we dey clear as for we dey baby o gina o ka dey say na enti ma sorry mano enti omu nyina na one side and I on sorry be o as sorry no there sorry mani na because I know say sorry be mu no komu a ubenya akokakoko yes electric shock sorry be as for no so much why what pa Ted Force pa na and this ni MPP mu yen yom zinje na fa wa kabuza akokokoko ye hwe say akokokoko ne be ne oh asoy bia bu be ni akokokoko asoy bia mu kukurudu ho asoy bia mu ejo e ho asoy bia mu edenya ubenya obi o support we kwa donko asoy bia mu edenya EPC ba ko bi be pi mu so me asoy bana metisa asoy dem ho na wo the leader of the church no e bia mi gina party tuntum na wo de oba obi bia da bia party fita da bia party na so chemzen ebe yen hwe se de ebekwe ni nyina no nyame ya adom amande na besen ko but the most important thing esese na ehye no so ene se asumdue a yetimu no ye bekoso atena sa asumdue ni mu a whether sa ba na yeto akobenkum yeto akonifa at the end of the day we should continue to enjoy the peace that we've been enjoying all these years and we are very 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 important. Etiabana wo kotroma wani na ho medie se be ya after casting your vote sana mi gina wa twen na mi koe na masa hwe kodi party bi echi yentua wo ka wo yentua wo ka ubetimi akwa kekeke sa party ye kura na wo kura they don't even know you wakwa kaka bensemo a ochanko na kofa asemo aba. They have people, political party be or yes serious pass or person boom no. Or what in Crawford monitoring a yes. So if the party you belong to, if the party you support, a serious pass, a serious political party, police station piano or representative Ebi be ye adwuma fia no pana 7 na ye be share election national kwa or break a cry be baba be take over on be to aso akopim say counting be share ase akoso nyina no they have reps in all the police stations. And how much more wo party supporter keke no wo na person okoje say adwuma ne ye there be ka to agbawi ade efa wie ya akotena ofie wa frɛ wife agosua and ran kwan say ansa wo fufuo kakra mfa ntumi ye mfa hwe ade oh na ka mote wa nkomo saa enei Adom FM nya chim to hwa de akobia all over the country baby ya ni ho report ni edwagum ye de bro wo pese enye wasum ku na obete no wani so de bi hu bia Adom TV ye edwagum saa ba bia ye ni ho visuals ni na de bro enti wo ha ho akogina police station wo pese o hwe asa o me montase bibia da bi obi a employ will say yes adwuma no na giso akatua na omo aya employ mo na yetu omo kan they are there allow them let them do their job obetimi atra ofie saa kopim the next day be declare result yes enwunya se me na me call police station akohwe me call collation center akohwe se en ye den woto abawie din call baby enne ma esese edisu nyina ye ndiso yese wo kwa show face mask kama ukodu ehihye ya yisidi egu apronso yese motete montem nti wugina atwen kakransa wa movie waye ne saa udu a ko wash onsa waye udu a ye sanitize onsa waye utu wi a ye dinki ahye omorua no echese wato de kama bibia waye uwia ukọ fie wadwuma bi na akoya akoye boko na dia asumdua ba that's all we want baby abeto akọ de ende se wa and obi kan asem hwe wase tirem ne to papa wa hwe de yekoso wa bra bumu a na wa de hwe o future na say krofo yi wen ba wen betimi abo amia na krofo yi wen to aso ebesi mi yi ana na wa +1 - 1 wa keka bomu a na wo de timboko ukọ baby asa na to kwa bia mba na yentra ye baby na fe the last one na me de wasi on election 2020 se mo koto a mon call out in your numbers and vote. Encourage everybody who is a registered voter a Ofie catch and say massa men transport obi ankono nkoto aba no so na yentimi nya numbers no na ade ne nya say fe turn out na kwelo na fe yentimi anko akonya the required your friends and mark na ibehia to declare a winner. Then we need to go for a possible runoff. Derby adwuma na eden emrante ne mabawa yete omogu monten so kwakoye sa coverage we amount said be ya baby a wo bia betimi hu de ekoso masa yes adwuma ketwa o chale logistics cost ne ade enipa bebre all over the country. If you take multimedia alone, me to me if I ask them mama to be from home streets, but if I'm to tell you the cost enipa yedi all over the country, every police station, the beer, every constituency, enipa sky yes spending to do this coverage must be easy. Sika government sika ya taxes sika yenswa aban be se no security forces no omo ekwa ya to mo aguna ni na ye sika enti ya to no boom preko pe ba ko a na nka ya te ensafiri ho na nkoba se run off sem bia beba eno so kra be ma Christmas na yede cause se run off ba mu a ebe den ebe ma Christmas na nyinya cause bo za fe na obi ahu de ko obi ahu de ba Ebasan so a eka no so be dɔso enti se mo to akɔ benkum a ene mo to no bum mo to akɔ nifa ho so a eno so mo to no bum na de obawini no wawini no bum na che se na abepe ba bi atra na adwen o simple entitia medam ase bebre afa mama akɔ ababa OfieKwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM and then Friday. And as usual, every Friday, Biano, a freestyle Friday. So we run the show how we want it. You know what I'm saying? And then every Friday, also a special one because it is going to be the very last day. You know, dinky town before we go and vote. Oh, Tieneno, there be a Friday, be a formula be now, but then the formula new crack. But then Rame catch them will say, you bedim komokakra. Edi afa asumdwe nsem we ye me from dia amaka chem but there's somebody that we'll be talking to na papa no ye can war say okon pa si ntokwa si war o kana sem kire wa we say yes ade bi esese utimi ye now prevent war no you have to do it. He'll be talking to us. I will show you so. Ansana. Actually, no. Yede diakabia atwaso. Edi amount. What I say. But quickly emphasize that my proud sponsors. Bell Chapman. We ended the new party sensation in town. O topu bia na se Bell Chapman and Piasia. Na che se ono nye guy. Unim de eko. Get the lime wa wono. Black currant lemon soom kama pa. Loaded with vitamins and a sign low in sugar. They are available in 330 and a 500 ml bottles. We another quality product. Ye fee Bell Beverages. Pack back could be only 16 bottles. Price also that cool. They are available at shops and stores and supermarkets. I don't need na emo. The door pan of Frey. Bell Beverages on 055 538 500 and after 055 538 5900. Now watching to do Bell Chapman for lives happy moments. And no and share and no. Afeti Obasima seal a special seal bia and AGI and Ghana Standards Authority akabum ediaba na yede sa seal we abo food products bi na ho e wo market eti uko na koto food products bi na hu say Obasima seal ne e wo ho a it means that food product no e wo 18 essential vitamins and minerals tiano ahye so very good for everyone especially yenu ya no ma no ti ya mo ton more pa. Make sure say we choose your Obasima. Say be able to stay healthy and strong. abreni na. Vivo smartphones. For Frabe boom no. It's about time you change your style up and switch to the best because for we and I did the best in everything I want mobile phone washimu. A ban camera, the best one or Vivo smartphone. A ban of long lasting battery so you cry the best. A ban of big storage so you cry the best. So switch to Vivo smartphones and get the best out of everything you need in a smartphone. Obenya de e fear shops ne stores and I say phone shops ahodo ni nyina emu na dodo pa no wafre Gianni Communications on 0244 329 897 and wait means wafre Stranger Phones on 0244 684 642. Vivo smartphones, stunning designs, superior quality. Papa. Wapka say en kancho say ekobase ene AIDS ana say HIV TB ene nyado ahodo binum sa na biba wakwam na ma for the srew esi watwetwen wo adwuma mu kura na yi wadi utifie wo rent nso ye tu ni ade a emretia. Yes, the 2016 Ghana AIDS Commission Act 938 makes it an offense or best stigmatize and say obey discriminate against to be or situation which will be the first acquaintance fair webcast na yendi wa asema 0302 241 452 and our fair Wildaf na yema probo no lawyer no near 020 262 7049 and 020 262 7084 bet means our fair AS Raj for 0302 664 785 and 0302 662 150. Na emwebi obiano yama on saka. Obedi dia na say rice meal na prepare nkwa dia. Ya kan for food lovers special fragrant rice e dia amount. Eye mu bia ede na emu aduane bia de prepare bia nso no. Koyi kama pa. A special long grain rice. Yeah, it create the perfect level of perfume. And nunti so rice meal now prepare no be delicious, a bit tasty, real good, yeah. And your usual or regular rice. And then when say yeah, food lovers special fragrant rice. No one so yeding. Available at our shops and the stores in supermarkets out on in the the only say Yenyaka food lovers special fragrant rice. No I just so system na feel. Finally, I'm fast day on Emma Dominion about powder. We so wow. Emma or build a strong immune system. I bring now. Den come up. Na nina moon so no. And normalize our blood pressure. What heart or kidney related problem. Unifio, stroke, diabetes, near pampamano. We are spine. We be also the biana no yen yat the bia you make to a biano abre. Ebe boa pa. Opi bia toa. Ene herbal shops how do ni mu o my fana bia. On sabeka Dominion herbal powder. Dodo pa no for any chen koko wo so hwehwe Angel Dominion Herbal Center ubenya dodo bia ohia fi onye sa phrase 0543 158 195 and our 020 429 6449. Dominion Herbal Powder, your number one immune booster. Yeda omase dane den na ukrai mu a yede ofedi kan radio ebro OfieKwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Muni abema Jerry Justice na motimin kan. Ewe Papa Bills wa ha. African wa Jamestown Jeko ewa ha. Ena Prince nso ewa ha. Ti eno nante a free sabri ya kopem se ebebo no nsia na fi de akabia yedini na atoaso edi ama. Yes. Shouts going out to Isaac. Our sales and marketing department here at Multimedia. Yeah, can I say I day? Money now. happy birthday, Uncle Emma Michael Bwedi, well known as Bakaro Banks. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I sing Amwabing. And a student of Asing in Suta SHS. Great Anas. Hey, Muskuni didn't know. I am invited Anas, no, my mom lectures. Wishing you God's blessings, more wins, wisdom, and prosperity as you celebrate your birthday this very day. From your friend, Morgan, or Decoder. And a happy birthday going out to you, Madeline Lamte of Ghana Technology University College, Tesano. May the good Lord bless you from Gozo. And a happy birthday going out to Dickness Elizabeth Jehu of the Church of Pentecost, Frankfurt, PIWC. And this one is coming from Elder Patrick Aidan. Osinyame Onshao. Na onton kwandem. Na ontie ompaibo. Abreni na wanya wakuma swadi na ma. Ewo Yesu dim. Amen. And a happy 60th birthday also going out to Mrs. Elizabeth Seidu Asare of Sportsnet, Kokomlemle, and also Secretary of the Kaneshi Presbyterian Women's Fellowship. This one is coming from the husband, Dan Asiedu Asare. Dan Asiedu Asare to Mrs. Elizabeth Asiedu Asare. Yes. And then your children, is it Drina or Drina? And then Rita. And then your grandchildren as well. They all wishing you a happy birthday. Happy belated birthday, and now belated happy birthday, whichever way rubs you right. Encore Enfama Efia Anita Atobra, Owaye Holland, Amsterdam. Yes, yesterday was your birthday. Wishing you God's blessings and many more wonderful and amazing stuff to come your way. With me, Papa, Reverend Dr. Paul Yao Ousu Ansan. Osinyame Wensha. Let me wish you a happy marriage in advance. Mia Prince. Only Emma. nyame eya adom a ochna ena mo kamo ho abom se okunu ene oyere ewo the New Apostolic Church wo Dakuman Junction. Yes, we'll be there to support you guys, God willing, tomorrow. Yeah, mama, our soul. Anyway, Enkoma Nana say Ampofo Ejeyi, aka Casti. Na Efi Elder Amwako Ejen. Yes. Now what Jimmy no? SSM Manamo. Na say Fanumi down home. Na nya wa Joe say wa manamwa. Na we ebonia for. Say wa manamwa na say now ye ebonia for. Yes, danasi. Good afternoon. Enkoma Sofo Furiata. Yes, Reverend Furiata. And 11 years pepe. Our engaging the wife. Say Friday say ya no engagement. And now addiction Saturday pe. And now wedding. Tinyame ya aduma ochina. Saturday. And the bed 11th wedding anniversary. Na just on in ere kan omo ho ebom so okunu ere no. I just say if Dubako enie 11 years. Nyamini pa why you be? Na o wife so why you be pa. Mrs. Ofuriata. Nyami shawate. Why nina? So congrats to the two of you. Wishing you all the best. They are kanina. Eradin famuncha. Ewo yesterday. Na ochina so eye o wife ne birthday so eka ho. It's not just say ochina no eye double do. Ewurade. And then now happy birthday in advance to you, Mrs. Ofuriata. Namisha wate. Ochina mo ni jeni nyam mo. Na ishia no so nyam mo. Na ngosra no so nyam mo. Amen. So said I'm carry to any no yeba na yaba bedin komo kakra. Na komo yeba bedini na no. nkɔmɔ a ɛfa asomdwe ɛho nsɛm ɛho medikan ɛde ato anim sɛ aba no deɛ yɛbɛto na sɛ yɛto nko a ɛden a obi bɛwi ɛden a obi nso ɛbɛlusi so ate ase yɛtumi nya ne sɛ two political parties ɛbɛwini ɛnyɛ yie ɛden a out of the 12 no baako ɛna ɛbɛyi mɛgye as winner na ɔno yama na konya no sɛ ɔnni ɔman ɛso for the next 4 years ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ must ɛyɛ deɛ yɛ bɛbam but deɛ di mu akotene ne sɛ deɛ yɛbɛto aba no ma no na yɛde tumi ne bɛhyɛ ne nsa no sɛ ɔman yi mu anjo a ɛne pa a wɔde ma ɔmanfoɔ nyinaa campaign yɛ ɔmo ayɛ promises bebrebe a ɔmo akeka ne adeɛ nyinaa nkurɔfoɔ keka yi man baako yi kura deɛ ɔso ɔba kɔla a yɛwɔ mu nyinaa kura no yɛbɛtua wɔn nka sɛdeɛ ebinom yɛ na ama bi so yi ayi ɔno ne party no kura deɛ LPG Kofi Akpalu sɛ nkɔla ne yɛbɛtua ɔmo ka to ɔmo ti nka mema yi sɛ yi ne yɛhwɛ na wɔn gye salaries a ne ade a bosomi bi anya akora de 200 Ghana eti promises bebrebe yi na ayare ganso so oba o say F1 obema Ghana oh yeah we will get there, you know what I'm saying. But say ni na beba mu a unless say asumdwe wo man mu sa asumdwe ni o man mu a omu nyina promises ne ensem de wo mo manifesto awodo ni nyina mu ni ade no jo etimi memmen yeye iti asumdwe no ye paramount ehu nya yie papa ti ese yina ma yani da ho na yetimi ka asumdwe ho nsem na etimi aboa na bibia nso akoyie ede aman enu ti ena enawie yi me no ba be din komo ede afa eye asum dwie ehu na atimi aboa enyina ti de o se wo ya ne se wo de wo be yi wasum keke na wati eye enkomo a yebedi no na enye se bia ye kan sa keke na yeti ni keke ye make sure say ye de be ye adwuma eno and the most important thing I bet me aboa ina now on the line no Sergeant William Sechi Ofie in the UK na papa yi bana ko ne just ntokwasem wo sem na wa witness bi pa pese ne be kasa na asumdwe hu sem de hu hia nti esese etima asumdwe hu hia yie pa no okame yina ya so tibi eti fra unua bi na ka kyense ontie nkomo na ye ba be ni yie pa na wan kasa so no biem kese na obi twam a wate san nkomo yi bi. You can also join us on Facebook na wahu de ko ene de be na Sergeant all correct o.
Good afternoon.
Na empomu to say
the facho me here pa na won say
nyame adom yenso ye ho ye papa. First of all no I say ka Sergeant William Sechi Ofie abakwasem kakra be na obetimi di aman ansa na yabowura enkomo ayepese enu edi mu.
In fact me da se na mitia metie for na mitia mu na so I tie wo sometimes I tie wo so we gbogbo adwuma fa. Yeah, I mean you know Sechi Ofie me just like an ordinary Ghanaian me Ghana and me by UK I think somewhere around okay I think true that's
Sergeant me pacho on reposition who kakra man na I say line breaky kakra na you say be clear kakra
hold on
yeah okay
Jim FM.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, is it better?
Yeah, it's quite better now.
Okay. Yeah, you know, me joining British Army, I think 2007. And I'm joining, I mean, you joining, quite a few of us Ghanaians, you know, who be some, yeah, say, Kakaka, in them one,
okay. Kache, Obia, what me anya kwenya to join the UK Army near the Diana. Say Tokobia si ha ne ade won hunu bi emu de sana wa witness na fe yen toaso.
Okay, I mean deployment there before say deployment because deployment yeah call akuni there near bebre but maybe the obia nim more popular no Afghanistan 2009 and I'm deployed to Afghanistan. And me current tsunami that I'm a detachment commander until me section of a very ISTA base ISTA so intelligence surveillance target acquisition and reconnaissance. So basically majuma me koye and afemine me debt which me nkofanam ni omu yejumano say yeah survey areas you know yehu me find say group of people on person with bonia na ya send information into the ground troops and I say maybe attack helicopters and then they will they'll go into action and obviously destroy the target.
Wow. Oh, with that tell me the way you have to overcome destroy the target. The target, not just I don't know why you go and show us, no, but anyways, but yeah, there back home in Ghana, no, yeah, TBB say Afghan side on the area out there to say no go area. You know, with the Ghanaian blood flowing in you, now what joining army now? Afghanistan, also.
To be honest with you, my me started from say Unsro no. Me find say who join soldier obi oyo soldier ni bi abeka kire say who co training e bi a wo pay juma na ye ana say wani je juma ho nti ye training who training ye bibia ye we call who be call operational ye training e ma adrenaline ni na ye ready but onipa join the onipa untimi enye ready for and to qua ye two live bullets because you call training so the ni call training or call ranges on you see it no you always then be a shoot to a target who shoot to an unmoved target into a plastic and if you want to go target well however the bit is Afghanistan and no and your target now and your dia if you want to abono and I would so or no see to the aba into also bullets land on hono also the bullets where they land and see hono there and yeah grow hono and practice or range it's a license and in terms of Ghanaian I can tell you sir when you Afghanistan because of country meaning someone the history about Afghanistan Afghanistan a grower for years over years and before say US for many of the area US for obviously Osama bin Laden got to World Trade Center and my US
9/11 issue
very good and a US deployment to US any UK for any US alliance intact deployment Ghana and see a deal with you continue now before say because deployment now Russia for years ago Russia for hold on mudi you understand and see on my Afghanistan I can tell you say so me exaggerate I make like I say as a Ghanaian I might buy UK for maybe greener pasture or opportunity in Afghanistan was like maybe 100 years behind Ghana.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
I'm not look, I had a not meaning of Afghan funny be a dinkum. Some of them almost in Ghana. They want to come and live in Ghana.
Wow.
You know, wow.
So that should tell us, say,
yeah,
this is what war can do to a country.
Absolutely. Now, it's you know, you can't really. Well, and to call the and to call the start getting. We actually knife be where I see. Because what people don't know, they say, here, there are people with grand scheme of ideas behind. What does it? So be any opinion to qua, let's say before bar, all that only panel works out grand scheme of ideas. No, the original say and conform you know me more baku tour or better because you know before and that's how and to qua starts. You know, and I can tell you, say Ghana is a peaceful country. Ubufu now you should know, say, you know, a bit like get it to a certain level here, a bit unbearable for you to live in. You know, just one practical example.
Okay.
So for instance, you move from a convoy, you move, we have to clear the road. Say, the the machine, making sure, say, IED and IED improvised explosive device. Afghan phone because of my kuntokasa and into said roadside bombs. And to maybe plastic container be no connected batteries up. They know how to do it. And not or they are saying you say will be before her now time for a year before her. From home, you fast one bam, meaning say. Move follow Afghan and that's not a sipa almost every day. Your forces maybe got killed by IED bombs. And you know, we have to clear the road. Back to that subject, we have to clear the road. And I can tell you, sir, Jerry, just to travel 1 mile, it's not 2 miles, and
just one.
You know, just to travel 1 mile, it could take us 3 hours.
Hey!
3 hours to make 1 mile journey.
Just because you want to make sure, say, bomb will be to help you.
Absolutely. You know, absolutely. So that is how deadly it was. It was a hostile environment.
Wow.
You know. So and it even to cross the road, say, you know, obviously to cross the road from one side to the other end, you know. You can't just do that. You know, you can't just do that. It has to be cleared, sir. The environment, you know, is clear before you can go. What does it? You know, helicopter, LBC, you call me, I say, me call, you know, me first time me call Afghan. Now, you didn't call me base, you know. I mean, helicopter, I didn't see you. I will say, Anaju, that I also do the canyon, you know, and then there was so many maneuvers. And so maneuvers and so I was touching down. You understand? Tactical landing. And so on, because so also can you know be more one shall to
Mr. Obiaba
RPG. You understand? And to come here, so when you have peace, my brother, you know, you just have to treasure it. You know.
Wow.
You just have to treasure it. Don't. I mean, I know politicians are saying they are, you know, we can say, where can we? But it is our, you know, I'm talking to you because it is our social responsibility.
Yeah.
Say, Yabema, who say, you know what? And to Kadia, I'm holding because the things that I have seen, you know, and the things that I've experienced, nobody wants to experience that. I'm telling you, it's a fact. You know, these things are facts. You know, people should just make sure that if you have, I mean, Afghanistan, I loved my country. You know, the fact that Chrono, it's mess. It's look, some of school being because you're to pretty school.
Yeah, there's nothing you can do.
You know, school being you know, all we do is every day we go out on patrol, visit the villages, talk to elders. That's all they know. You know, and you know, yeah.
Sergeant, and yes, you'll be a person, yedi, Asian crowfoom. But we are doing this, amount for any bebom, so no one who say, Asumdre, Adibia, so will be a usum now crack running ye pan. because if you unsapa ninya no edin, and like you said earlier no Afghan for a very long time when I was growing up na me tin to kwa and they've been fighting sa ne ade a yehu when sa to kwa sem we na to be kra ne ade a and say yan hwe yie na yan so ye man mu yie ne asomdwe wo yie a said the SCC so amama bi so ebetimi so ato yen so and it all depends on anamon a yebetu a day message and now betimi dia magana for pimpim a etio sabre na betimi amomwa hu say asomdwe a ye wo yi say yetimi kurom yie na ankofri yen sana yanko yese aman bi a yatetetete omunkan.
Yeah, I know. I me can say you know, before I'm to Kwano, I started from little things because we share more omudi and to here, more sponsor because rebels and you know group be and that's we know. They are big dogs. You can say big dogs are baby at a different level. You understand? Ono no mfa to mejina kwanso ana mfa second mejina kwanso say or the baba kontokwa because on him say obewu what is here enti ono bon ho ban enti no wona ho we be our party member we party you are just fanatics you just say odo party ni unti no wo gbafu ama ukobo bi asum ene say no we never that's it.
Sergeant Pastor, on sign every position kakra. I said the line is say kakra.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Okay.
Too bad. Charlie, me pacho mo sign na mon frère Sergeant Maya back na fi ye ne nto aso me say ahoma no a drop it na fi ye ne no ensan to aso na ye nhwe se de common bi si akwa fa enti ye hwese ebetimi asan alinke no afi baby ane humamu say from the UK ene kasa no wakwa na the last bit am pese ye de bam no omo akọ oman antokwa asiso no omokoto timamufo na how do they treat those people no omo ay helpless no ho na pese ye hwe sisi no say anye bia yantimi ahwe ne yankure asomdwe mu yi na say ntokwa bi ba it means that such situation and yenso be kom na enye ade a eya homeka patro GCB Bank Limited say yen kan chem say omo close omo Liberty House branch no Accra Central Business District one omo close no from Monday besin say na him say over the weekend no eja eto the first floor of the Liberty House building complex no. They say the customers name members of the public no advise mu na say mu be visit Kantamanto and say Republic House and now Kanshi High Street Makola Boundary Road and any GCB branch be for your banking business and now bit me use alternate channels no internet banking GCB mobile banking ATM and G money wallet almost say inconveniences be we be cover the abia no apologize say GCB, your bank for life. Yes, I'm coming so now. Yene Sergeant William Situ Ofie and try yon common eso. Sergeant.
Yeah, sorry.
Now line no ikakra. Now there me pese ye de be conclude yon common no. Yes entokwa bia si o man bi so. Na mo mako kro no mu.
Yeah.
Mo be kono kro na nkasa no omo kontokwa ne dada. Bia afanu miedu bi na ekon. Some mako as mediators so some so kwa akwohwe calming situation said mokwa aya timamufo no mo kromu na entokwa si but omo de omo belong to any group bia say rebel group bia na ade no so for no how do you treat those people? One more helpless, no?
Okay, so you know, me fan say bibia sa me corner say volatile situations ala ye kwa ye creative to say ICP, so incident control point. So basically, you know, that area no best for more like maybe like some mini refugee center. What I say? And in a we will start accepting people in. Into your bed building, like maybe kind of center beer. Your screening for, you know, among the banner and for people will know, it will be made aware. Say this is, you know, there's a safe area like this. And, you know, among we will screen them. We screen them, obviously. We screen them, and then we obviously we admit them. Now, what you say? Aha. And then our we admit we can about you can say. You say hotspots in this animal. We will look at those intelligence within those areas, you know. Now I try to arrest those situations, you know. So what I say, until more, we say surveillance. There, we will. There are so many gadgets I use. I even media. I survey areas. Yeah, the near who's for particular. Okay, to me, like for instance, survey one particular example, like you know, now you share one target to be, and you say, you know, yet me survey if you know survey if you know for weeks, you know, and you know, say, operation in terms of the bar is just one touch. We know everything within that house, anything that lives in that house, we know, even include whatever we have, you have in the house, we know. We know the entry, we know how many windows, everything within that house, we know. So when we are coming and it's red, we are coming straight to the target, and then that's it. So, those are some of the things But most importantly, you know, I can say, me Afghano, I loved my country, me dog Ghana, because me who say, you know, Ghana no, look, Ghana is a brilliant country, you know. Yes, you know, but look, it's a beautiful place to be. Me say, look, me say, Bibi to say simple thing to say remote control. Me or UK, maybe I meet more UK. No, I thought say, oh, it's not enough. I need more. But Jerry, me say, me feel African. My home looked like I was living in a castle. You know, yeah, because there was nothing there. Oh no, yet but yet desert so. She know, there's nothing. You know, there's nothing. You see me buy remote control. Me the trust me change. Some of them want me giving I just wanted to have that feeling.
Yes,
you know, and I'm so wow. What people don't know. Wow, say a party, no, there's a Ghana. I'll be at near party, near one night club, near call, you know, look, I'm here, Afghan. The road is empty, the town is quiet. What's that? The road is empty, the town is quiet. I mean, you won't do that. You will not even attempt to do that. You know, me honestly, me whom call out I am a mobile. Wow, what future? Future ben wow, you know, they don't know anything. They are Americano. So OG1 it's like 100 years behind.
Wow.
You understand? So it's like 100 years. It's all they know is gunshots. And no dear, and no gunshots. Okay.
Yeah. Finally.
Yeah.
More as troops are more corner there. If you are going, you go prepared. Sometimes the kind of food that mube dini munsioni adina. But you see, in a typical war zone, na and tokwesi na fe ebi kra almost source of water kra no bomb bi kra kwa koseno and unya potable drinking water. Baby obenya aduane adi chese you can't even go to the farm for food. You can't go to the market and buy food stuff and come and prepare food and eat with your family. Touch on that hon kakra bi na ye fan conclude.
Yeah. Now interesting thing is the whole kind of interesting thing is crowd say Afghan for nankasa no o say enye omo na omo ye Taliban no what you say omo no Taliban for no use chrono so because chrono there's no development, there's no authority or whatever no. And you know Taliban no use the chrono at the yoma. You understand? And see, most of the times not insurgents no mufi Pakistan and no mu eba iskafo mo Pakistan and no mu ba Afghanistan ebedi sa insurgency nyoma no. You understand?
Yeah.
And see, say ye kwa omo ye ko ekranasi sometimes ye mo nyoma ye see o ye be develop ye be say ye be o hype say ya ye nya free wa na insurgency na be catch them say hey mo na wa kwaji foreign troops Americans and British for anyoma no and e wu ebusia we ama warning omo ba na omo cho bibi na do saka ye be ku ana ye be visa saka and see they go through all these problems, you know. And you know, you can imagine, say, almost all my farmers, Afghan, do a farming. That's a nippon into call a farm, non cohen folk, non copen bibi kakendia. Let's say they are living in a real hardship. You understand? Real hardship, you know. Oh, yeah, and I look at gunshot. All they know at that place is gunshot. And there's always gunshot. There's a sound of the barrel. I mean, yes, you're busy, we came under so many attacks, and I don't know. And sometimes a gunshot is so normal. So what the crowd now TB depending on the distance now, you know, it's okay, you can sleep because you know it's only when it's getting closer to your base.
Yeah.
And then you like sorry, I ain't ready. I could confront this attack nearby, you know. So I can say I would like to appeal to all my people, this Ghana for say, you know what? Don't worry. The politicians they talk big because guess what? These people they live well. They have their money. They don't care about you. I mean, well, they care about you, but you know, if you are going to fight for them, you say you are going to fight for a politician, my brother, my sister. You could be not doing.
I love that. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Not doing.
All right.
You know, honestly, I mean, that's what I can say. You know. Yeah.
Sergeant, me na was here we ene enkomo a woni ye di yeda wase pa na I know say omo
There make me beside number so over to Obama. Why? A culture stop the fasting and fighting.
Culture, yeah, I think
stop the fusing and fighting.
Yes. I should be able to get that one for you. My family reggae but I'll try my best. I think so.
That's okay.
I have seen it here before. Yeah, so I'll play that one to you until I keep listening. I'll roll it for you. Why?
Okay, thank you.
All right. I was Sergeant William Sechi Ofie of the UK Army and yeten in Kano. Me patrol. Die na ibetimi aye na asumdua ye we yakoso atena mu no. Mo me enye why na enye izi sa eba no sa ema ne mofra. Hu asemo anoka o se edu ba bia ohu omko ba bia ntokwasi pa na hwe nkoso no school nothing no training no hwe na ohwe enkola ene nam kromu okoba na then one more bisa no say what's the future for nkola we no money and they wote Ghana corona ba you cross nkola tv ko school sua de omo ehwe se on benya dachi papa bi yempe we edin abiem ena ye pese ye hwehwe anim kwan ye hwehwe se ebetimi abo asomdwe we ho ban na ene yen atena abreni nyina. We are the daughters of glorious Jesus. I'm afraid we asumdwe. About your Airtel to go free morning offer no. Ejinamu den ma. Sorry anopebia from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. Obitimi akasa free. And once a month I can new Airtel Tigo SIM no one make a transaction with Airtel Tigo money. Now with me I enjoy our free morning offer for 6 solid man. If you're already registered on Airtel Tigo money, very simple, just dial *110 hash. Now what select option 2. Now fee was subscriber for the morning offer with as little as 2 CDs. Sebe also with me a share concern every morning for free. So don't waste time at all. Buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today and get talking. Airtel Tigo money. Life is simple. I guess by now the only say MasterCard and the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. Say and can't say MasterCard there is safe and secure. Me the media be a pesodi and baby be a could be a cash be a new MasterCard there. The only do media be a now say what I say. Yeah, now I now so don't want Jim be the muye. Malcolm say men can't say Black Friday now when they buy no. Ebia na wo no uti antimi anye ye ama traffic bebrebe ntini wantimi ankwanko shopping. But don't worry. We've got you covered. Omodian rush for the same unbeatable prices on thousands of items at any Malcolm shop nationwide. Etemua de kopim the 5th of December. That is tomorrow. Etikanwe now so far ho ehembi. Na Malcolm Black Friday no wetimi edidimu yipa. Terms and conditions apply. Malcolm where Ghana shop. Go on say and can't show say the fuel stations how do ni nyina no. How safe. I'll bet me about now only about business. What the answer say about COVID-19 protocols how do ni nyina no be share na we di so. We keep a minimum distance of 1.5 meters. With other customers and our fuel attendants who face mask no so say or share abribia best step into a public place. A banker use your electronic payment card no me share the Go card say be able to minimize the cash transactions. Can also be wash on salt with soap and running water, especially right after handling money. And also they are providing in be away in service stations and holding in across the country. Open so bo wa na usnizi and no cover on here na say one not with tissue. We pen away disposing off into a bin immediately. Now, if you are not in a position to wash your hands, I so be used to alcohol-based hand sanitizers, and also a beboapa. Goyle, yeah. Okay, so my member and young now, Sergeant William Sechi Ofie. I no edin komo or request say member Emano no. Young friend Nchimwe na yia young fa de aka no ento so. Slasia. Yeah man. Culture, you know. Oh, Debbie. I don't know who's in here. They're born on him. Oh, a day. Aha. That's right. Jack come down and set us free. Let's go.
This is Adom FM 106.3.
Stop these fussing and fighting, brother. Stop these fussing and fighting, brother. It's a shame to see the people fighting in the streets.
It's a shame indeed.
Drawing guns at each other for nothing at all. Ooh. Blood keeps splashing over the towns from town to town, around and around. Yeah. 2 Jah, please stop them, I pray. While I call my brethren, say stop. Please fussing and fighting, brother. Oh, stop. Please fussing and fighting, brother. Who it for right? Down the streets, it brings my heart to a faster beat. Also, one of my innocent brethren got a shot in his wrist and he has got to step aside. Step wide from them and there were my brethren. Stop these fussing and fighting. Fighting, brother. Stop this fussing and fighting.
Shouts going out to you, Nana Joa Boatsima. That's the same.
You mean
yeah, man.
Sometimes.
And a happy birthday in advance going out to Stephanie, Nana Ya Sapoma Kwashi. May you live long to fulfill your purpose in life. From Adrina, your parents, siblings, and the entire family in Gulf City, Tema.
Really what I want to say, they want liberty to walk and learn the lesson well. Don't be no.
And this one here also says a happy birthday going out to Fiji.
Stop them, stop.
A J Insia of SOS Hemamaina School. Tema, you are 7 years old today. Keep growing in wisdom, good health, and most importantly, God's word. We love you, Fiji. From your mom, Mrs. Hannah Abena AJ, CEO of Brawling Company Limited, and also your siblings as well.
Innocent blood should not be shed. It's a sin before the Almighty.
Now things just got peckier with the new Peck Choco. Yes, it is tastier, crunchier, and wet every bite with just the right blend of milk and chocolate for every chocolate lover. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You've got to try it today. So go out there and grab a pack now. Pack up your day with Peck Choco. It's your face. Yembra, Papa no be say let's go back to our local. It's our voice to correct. I was talking about my voice when I'm in Bansana. I said my baby to local sound no so what I say. Let's come back to our local. It's serious. Mama Shashadi. When you tell my wife, make sure they be always here. Me test our voice nature. Pop. Te ya chepa. Na ese me de tumusis here. Let's go back to our local. Ebabe bo local enyomo bat. Ese mitimi de ntwemu asana fide. Let's go back to our local. Mahu. Mete my in catch up.
Honorable Pacha Bemado. Hello, Honorable.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, sir. Can we go to our local?
Yes. That is what I want. I want us to go back to our local.
Honorable Pacha Bemado. Hello, Honorable.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, sir. Can we go to our local?
Yes. You are going to our
Who's local? Is it my language or your language?
My own language. Because of
I cannot speak here, unfortunately.
Okay, then let us push it small. Yeah. You are welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, we invited you on our program, that is Agri Talk Show. Kindly, we want to ask you, current trend, which is always going on, that is agrochemical.
Yeah.
Yeah, the farmers are complaining bitterly. Day and day, the price is going up. So we want to find out from you as a deputy secretary minister, which I don't know which
You don't know, is it?
permission or which criteria that you have been putting in place so that all this thing can be minimized, so that the farmers will be very happy to do the farming.
Well, let me start by saying that it's unfortunate that.
Yeah, let's come into the fertilizers. Some of the farmers said if even the price is up, then if they get some in the stores to buy, I think they will not even worry. But for the fertilizer, it's not in the system, and they find difficult to get the fertilizer to doing their farm.
Well, again, and the agrochemicals are something that are being affected by the general economic situation that we are experiencing in our country.
Finally, which assurance that are you going to give the farmers? Finally.
Come again?
What that means that finally, which assurance that are you going to give to the farmers so that the farmers will be happy that the government is doing something better for them?
Let's go to our local.
Hello,
I'm fine, thank you.
yes, sir. Can we go to our local?
Okay, so after playing culture, we are coming back to our local. Yamfa Odo, and this one is coming from Ohiniba Kisi. Bro, yeah, Ohiniba Kisi. On this one, Yamfa Odo. It's in Pachonyami Aduma Monday. About to a call to a Yamfa Odo. So Odo wa saka nio, Odo wa basa nio, Odo wa sumdrie nko what I say. Baby or tiny and new bread, ewo, and a basa yo ewo.
Most authentic radio station, AM Top.
Basa nebesie, apun som pone baba. Basa nebesie, ibiana apun som pone baba.
Yeah.
and it's your birthday today. Nana ya. Happy birthday to you. May the mighty one bless you. Omauni enyi. Na onte de e wasitremu abribia. Na onte esempanko a e wabra bom. Na omauni ye e wabra bom. De ye ya botesem de omabi ma wasitremu de biara da. De odon sabe kan bia omenye nhira e wo Yesu de. Amen.
Down for grace, I buy way over free more and some more. Oh no.
If you tinyina odona na yede ayadwuma. Yes. And the happy birthday do belated encore Emma Mrs. Stella Owusu-Teria aka Mrs. Openi. Yes, our very own Openi, the wife. Openi ewo United States of America. Na enra na wife the birthday. Enti ose ono ni twotwomucho. The roommate. The life partner. The bibia. Omano awodapa na nyame onhia no na onye ne kese e wo Yesu di. Amen.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Na Openi say and also ne pension baby the birthday. Enti happy birthday Enkoma Efia Safua Owusu-Teria. You are 11 years old today. So this one is coming from your father and then Mr. Sam Owusu-Teria aka Openi, and your mother Stella Owusu-Teria, Mrs. The message here says we love you so much, and may the good Lord be with you in all things. That's beautiful. That's lovely. Enjoy your birthday. Okay, so we young founder by Ohineba Kisi. Me wa another song ewo ho. A me pese utie sa anwom nso mu asempa. Sa anwom nso the title near the same thing. Eno so your friend no young founder. But eno efi different artists and chain. As a matter of fact, and just one artist, a different, artists no put you together, a couple of them. And also title near young founder, says a day, or anybody see the young founder. As we go somewhere, ye tea, Adaroma, or mom de brain, young former Sada mom, ye repair, not my court the next young founder, no, eso, near the no switch him. As that any a day, ma a in boost herbal measure, aka police nedrone. me pacho eye dro so enye dro so eye dro because we yen twen yare ansa na yanom e na yare so na anom so ekosi wa e boa ma immune system no ho ye ne den abrin nyina na se yare bia hinta woni padua mu a wonnim kra na abra oguso a wononom na no na eno e kutia sa yare wani na na e pampam efi wasetrem ama ti obi ampe bia kira kwan no bia no bi ne nom so ye den ai se nsuo bi sa obo bia no ano no ahoden ko a obenya bia to e wo Kings Walk Herbal Kanshi Drug Lane. I feel call alternative and dependable bar shops across the country. Be your health alert shop at St. John's, Ubenya Biato, and I feel or call a Tema Community 5, Little George Health Shop, Ebio, I feel Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Wedema Pharmacy, Echoes Pharmacy, a whole in our Benya Binyas, our phrase 0243 115 948 and a 0246 208 496. Ye moving on as they do on the MTN. Na the MTN catch one say and they self-activation wa betimi atwatum. Nya free na akwa free obi so meboa na akọ MTN office and na say akọ free yi vendor bi say ontwa ontum and they wa very simple just dial *170# for MTN Momo. No one select wow 4-digit PIN number, then you re-enter that PIN number. Now they are confirming. After this, we'll be receiving message confirming your activation. But in an unlikely event, just some message number. Now I contact you in various digital channels. Now say where you see my MTN app for further assistance. Next question will say, and ultimately link your bank account to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo and your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. As they do, Uncle Emma Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil. We are wabia a day the sunflower near they are wrong. They are to a boss and a come up. Sebe ma we doing now one. I very easy and delightful. Come up. It lasts longer. Na so the deep frying ne shallow ones near the idea just a frying beer grilling no money baking near the no utim the wrong na it trying to perfect the mark come up. So for your tasty meals say stew be now jollof be na shito be now prepare crack. Always remember Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil. Your on sizes be to the oboton besun subiano na wa run come up. Mom's Recipe Sunflower Oil, a taste of goodness. Available at shops and stores and supermarkets in Nemu. The door panel. Phrase 020-154-3938. Now on our chrono. Time Herbal Center. Or say a very simple Time Herbal Mixture for the treatment of malaria fever. And we be now about our Munquandia. Wasanya cat Time Herbal Mixture pet. Wapamano. One in the track can be a beam. When you want to a wintimidity. One am way or yen sono. A beco. Afe ya Mount Sanka K&G Herbal Capsules. And no for general well-being. Yeah, no sutimi boama when you're doing a brain. Kings Walk Herbal, Repatch Ventures, Rich Jones, Zidos Herbal, Nina or Kanshi Drug Lane, Ubenyabio, Echoes Pharmacy, Biclass, Larry, Afe Wedama, Nina Ewo, Ashaman, I want to be your Kaswa Fonko, Tribe of Judah. Nafe Farmer Trust, yeah, no so Wija Junction, Okowa and Sabekabi. Yes, our phrase 0244 417 669. Na do be on here biano, Yemfa and Somo, Nebi Bianso, and Koye, Emfa Emma. Yada, and you mo Koyase, Sad Aroma, almost so yasne, and my Timitia some real some and a day. I will feel consume so. A Adom 106.3 FM. Now, to my next song. And also your friend young for though. Nah, and no more it's about 6 minutes, almost 7 minutes. Cry. TSA no ni na and same woman pa. I am enough for phobia no boss. I know they are all my friends. It is from young for though from Ohinabakisi. Let's jump into this one. From Hammer compilations nibi eso. Now some lovely friends put this one together. Young for though.
Finally, a song for Ghana.
Yes, a song for Ghana.
A song for beautiful people.
This is a song for the beautiful people of Ghana.
Last two. So beautiful, it's hard to explain. So beautiful. Finally, a song for Ghana. Sounds of our time, a song for beautiful people. Sounds of our time, a song for beautiful country. Last two, so beautiful it's hard to explain. So beautiful we couldn't find ourselves.
All the hits and more. Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Young
No, bravo. Wait. There's this message at the last bit of the song. Now, me boy, young Ford on very important. But me on NC. We'll jump into the Ohine remix by our bravo. By NC's our message. Very, very important.
All right, go cast your vote, and let's have a big party.
Yes.
On my account, MPP, NDC. PNC,
yes.
Domestication, whatever PP. Yo, let's have a big party.
Yes, that's right, y'all. I love it. This. Let's go.
Execution Entertainment. Sakrama botra wonya yem tu aboa kasia me me wudro onsu ye cheme ni adoko kasahare patapa musiaku asamu ahwe firitre kotitre alobade be yesra man shefu once na di obefa me hu afuo wa miri ni kura watini so efiase ye nshita wan so tudro yes ago ye ya me born oguo my pompa mi tu pisikro opetuo mi su anadua eye musu osreka se jana no ensem polo mwana frana ku die wo me kame ho no we adaman san kom we wakana wakam pimdu sauti enya bebu no nya akonfirm afani pro uti matrani etro kujina konkon afe na wofro now je kafa di musu humbi betu amasasi awoso kedi ankoko ini ya kwa mekoto mfa kai afani efe uno se tin pa nya wafe when waso mi bube etre o baye shekoto je che obi besia pain what's in the pain udika port wa na wundi bem he amana do amafum fem Then I was so I do what do you say? Anya me bu kumfo. Me kum mo bon so obi kom via pem. And that hot shit. What's the kind? What I told you.
It's all yeah, you can put more. You know the phone, yeah, you say, oh, yeah, you know. She gagge, Asiko Pampanana, she gagge, Tiny, she gagge, my forte, you know, Yalawa, the Pangana, they take I keep one of the Veggie, Walla Bata, the Basha Ballet, Chornaman, Nicaraguan, Chodakinia, Wunyata, Lodge, Alaka Country, Udila Mako, so yen, Ricky Nava, Dena, Choyan, Nimba Bikate, Atayana, Plantai, Placation, Jena, Obasho to what you go, oh, Malanga, oh, Shakate, and John Black, Aleka can't take a number of Black, one yellow phone to 1 minute, and she can't do it. Time to be careful, she be careful. One of the law was that with Babo, now yellow, was Watele, Gary Nuos, Penso can chair no coco, Manchata Pacamba, Wambabe, Ocean Kitchen, if Mokania, what that clock, for family, that Colombia was Shaman Pamela, Gambi, Nagala, Papa Sadina, what turn it up, off the knob.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 What's the film? What's your knuckle? The baby says, and Patrick will be shades here. What would the cost of say? Yakaya, moi, Sakwadan Sonia. What's all say? Me who want me softly say, what's the what's it? We are there. Oh, my, no papa. What on the crap? Mr. Sardine, or Conjo Cra. You say, oh, from within, as Monica, Muntia, Usu, Usukabubetia. Yes, it's a family. Okay, and I couldn't say, Japamutimika, me from Mojo, Sia Mojo, to Missikaria, and Honjo, okay, to continue what for Bejo, and then my last warning. What's in back? What's the family baha? Mr. Sonimu, Capapus and Sebaha, early tomorrow morning, clock, on Aniwaha, the Betty Missika, Sanja ready, that's a Michiga, and one of Betty, bigger. I'm free, Bobia,
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Adom FM 106.3, feeling here deep.
Original. Mr. Fancy, see a portrait, now you're free. Now brothers agree, and then more than Ghana, Jana cry free. Jerry Justice, Adom 106.3 FM. Boss, we are champion.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station.
What's the film? What you're not going to see, the baby says, and Patrick will be shades here. What would the cost of say? Yakaya, moi, Sakwadan Sonia. What's all say? Me who want me softly say, what's the what's it? We are there. Oh, my, no papa. What on the crap? Mr. Sardine, or Conjo Cra. You say,
Ofrawudin, as Monica, Muntia, Usu Kwabubetia, ya from me, Miss February, aka Anakodeka, Jabamutemeka, Mifra Pocho, Tia Hojo, Sumisikadia, and Honjo, Okata Kotimia, Wafubajo, and then my last warning. What's the bar? What's the February bar? Miss Sonimu, Kataputa Nebaha, a little more money, go, and what about figure.
Tafan free will be a walker, down so or for the eat. Tafan free will be a walker, down so or for the eat.
Original. Mr. Fancy, see a portrait, now you're free. Now brothers agree. And I'm more than Ghana, Jana cry if we. And so you're supposed to cry if we. Copics of the week, I can't see or be a hurry. I was saying, I just do a manager that is to be. Me, I say, I babona your heart, master, and yet I'm we. Send me a sakios, come and pussy come on free. Now I'm for you, enemy, or come for me, who tell me. I can never die. And you just said, then cry. I was a meteor, and you have a dry lie. It's in my Jojo, let me see, meteor. Me free, pito, me the lampo, oh, Castro, me never you born me shaka keep your toe, me fosso, now so ready me ni foco, a bamba capa, macatuafia, and cocoto, oh, and free, and maybe giddy, then sensual is a dear touch of power, and they did say, Debbie, ever fifi, Timothy, no more than Ghana idea, or Capo, or did it?
Tafan free will be a walker, down so or for the eat. Tafan free will be a walker, down so or for the eat. Tafan free will be a walker, down so or for the eat.
Government of Ghana, they car, Timumu wine, Toneka, who you hear ya, Kodeka, Ofie Kwanso, Kodeka, 82 just for the car, Mr. Free, be a deka, 82 be a deka, Mr. Free, be a deka, oh, be a deka, oh, be a deka, yeah, oh, be a deka, oh, be a deka, yeah, oh, be a deka, yeah,
Tafan free will be a walker, down so or for the eat. Tafan free will be a walker, down so or for the eat. Tafan free will be a walker, down so or for the eat. Tafan free will be a walker, down so or for the eat.
Okay, we got to be all over again.
Adom FM 106.3.
That's right.
Amanfo kwa kese me na mabodam ku ye tie Jerry Justice e wa Adom 106.3 osi ayede na de
Easy.
Turn it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Amanfo kwa kese me na mabodam ku ye tie Jerry Justice e wa Adom 106.3 osi ayede na de Why you know do it? That's right. Bana we machine gun. We are ability to know saga. Why you out the mouth on cow? Tell my men to make it out. If I can't why I don't know. Then my men fam. My bella won't walk out. Give up the oil nonsense. Half an hour won't walk out. Give up the oil nonsense. My bella won't walk out.
Tune it in. Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Half an hour won't walk out. Tell make a pour. What up? Let me. Stop, make a pour.
This is Adom FM 106.3.
Men now what they open. What they walk on you now see who bomb me. And ultimate can drive it. Now come cock and ready. The time a boy me I am more benny. Well open me soon as I may fool me. I feel well over fool me. When we will do no who's doing. I think I see the massive bansele. Started the real they were class 3. Well let me out to the same. My body touch them a rock and give me so that and so you could do me so that me to I'm out for one body. Me so for me kwada ya me hobby no go me bronze me than your mouse why did this I didn't come with they can also be
execution of the tastes.
Me my bella won't walk out. The oil nonsense. Half an hour won't walk out. The oil nonsense. Me my bella won't walk out. The oil nonsense. Half an hour won't walk out. The oil nonsense. Me my bella won't walk out. The oil nonsense. Half an hour won't walk out. All of me, yeah, you might be impossible. Now, so still my top in the pool. Me want to shame that I'm tapping. But if I be making you a fool, you go for me now. It's your water, so why you be my friend? I want you to lay your bed down. I said, yeah, who has so diaper. Hey, go back to why she am go cool. We may be sorry, but so then so make it. Like a man of the shit. Hey, I want. I don't buy your mom. But they make up the mark sensitive. Chabra, never me grace. Down to blood soon pass a day. Now so who go pay. The Mercosur now the Adom FM 106.3. Feeling in deep. Second, let me many as a Ben, Alpha and a Romeo. We'll see a film I don't fancy. Managing way to go slow. Me my bella won't hold out. Never for the oil nonsense. Half an hour won't hold out. Never for the oil nonsense. Me my bella won't hold out. Never for the oil nonsense. Half an hour won't hold out. Never for the oil nonsense. Me my bella won't hold out. Never for the oil nonsense. Half an hour won't hold out. Never for the oil nonsense. For the streets.
Jerry Justice, bingo. Jerry Justice, bingo.
Justice on Adom 106.3.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
Adom FM house.
106.3.
106.3.
106.3. 106.3.
106.3. One tell one I won't blow.
Hey, Bill. Radio.
Hey,
le ni wabla. Tuyanu nina buala. Wiki na balu na kuchobi. Yo. I believe I can fly. You get my freaky. I believe I can fly. You get my freaky.
This is Adom FM 106.3.
Okay, I believe I can fly. You get my freaky. I believe I can fly. Yeshi la mon fan, kekete. La mon fan, atia. Yeshi la mon fan, kekete. Ali, atia. Ole ki mama e wo semli no go to it. Leke jing. Joa, ashiaka. Kekete, kenchen, jemen. Ken kela lo bana balanachi. Kwamo, oje ko, je ko jimfe. Manyola he wale, mina he yeli. Mitakomu, anga kona grado. Ishi agbe je no koniado. Akono mama, inye shimati. Oh, niado, inye shimati. Ale chekan pe intele se kemba. Ajanye ishi, eshimo shanta. Ate pleke de pai won sabla. Akwele ishi de la, akwele shuman. Na wo ishi kata le jonjo. Lepe komitonoku, amo botugojo. Le cheka men, ganda be gama mumfen. Abole kutuna akpe. Mini sane, di ale chekan pe. Awole manche. Etapa kai mi keba manjano. Wa shike jano eyi, fancy song. Eno eyi, fancy song. The one I believe I can fly. You get my name a freak. I believe I can fly. You get my name a freak. Tiny.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3. All the hits and more.
Show you wale, come on the ball. Mount Shilly, the way young, Connie Migano, Wale Shilly, I can't change no more can harm. I'm at the Pina, Minute Lale, Street Spina, Shiki Shampioto, Alice for the lady, I tell it. What can't change no more can harm. Nikotashi, Nigon Chabu fight easy. James and the Gia will be 2-1. James Feng to hammer beat. Jama, check it. I can't change no more can harm. Follow the phone, come on, my double talk. Can I be Quemenesha with the powers? The piano take on go, you must see. I can't change no more can harm. Imido, Natawa Miagri, Ali, Mido, Nayam Bab, Ali, Benia Fokomia, Nimolimo, the one Shiawa, Sisai, Alotadin, Kukula, Akapokuma, Benny Yang, Benny Akoku, the 1 year fair, but I'll check Najay Abiani was she Abia, Nakabelia Kaputu, Kapia, New Papa, India, follow the Akachi, Nunia, washing a toilet Salome, no never do we be an adult. I'll check in Yatati, I found out the boy, never came to the harm, but did the end to check. Nunia, washing a toilet Salome, no never do we be an adult. I will change in Kuleke, go Salang Pork, Gansha, come on, Imbo Himba, okay, Minko. If I became the case and the jacket, the window after the jump, I believe I can fly. You get my fleek. I believe I can fly. You get my fleek. I believe I can fly. You get my fleek. I believe I can fly. You get my fleek.
Heku, Ejoku. Tiny. You know what I'm saying? What do you want to say? Eh? Double. Okay, you more job in a double. All right, so Spirit Recovery going out to Mr. Samuel Kofi, Dapa CEO of Daps Air. Yes, wishing you Spirit Recovery, boss. Yame Adom Bibia Bear Fine. Why? I want to beba from Percy and then from Papa Bills as well. Nyame and come home. And a very wonderful happy birthday going out to my own sweet auntie, Mary Atipo of Ashama, Newtown. May God grant you her strength to move on to greater heights. And this one's coming from my good friend, Mr. Seth Sevo, aka Seth Sevo. And Mary Sevo. Yes, all of Lashibi, wishing you a happy birthday. And special greetings going out to my good friend, Mr. Eric Che, aka ODK. Odenke Bakope. Hey! Boss, watch Ebesia. Now me I feel too much. Ocha meeting never bass. Odenke Bakope. Oh yeah.
That's right. Easy.
Okay, yeah,
that's right.
Mommy, enkin kind of outro. Hey, this one goes on to say that getting married is a joyous occasion, full of nervousness and and uncertainty. But maybe they're not quite certain. Anyway, your wedding is one day. Your wedding is one day that will bring you joy and memories that will last a lifetime. Happy marriage to you, Joanna Darkon of Asing Amwabing. And this one is coming from your lovely brother, Nana and Kwantabisa. The message here says, love you so much, sis. But I'm sorry that I couldn't come. Oh, sir. Abi, you know everything that. So I am sorry. Why, please? Hey, they all their first why do you? Or they are clear now. I say, Ibi. Ochina nyame ya adomo a Elder Ban the Church of Pentecost Tema Community 1. Yeah. Oware fe kama pa. Ejiramu den. Ubunu FM achi ho na Community 1 Stadium Road Ubunu FM achi ho a ona obi mu asore da. Inviting all of you to come. One correct elder pa. Good man pa. He's getting married tomorrow. Yes. All that we wishing you well. Nyamia yewi, bibia be fine. Nyami shall know wife to be. Amen. About your MTN mobile money, na cheso try and shorter MTN Momo.
Easy.
Self activation or ejinamu den. Ya wa so betimi ahwe na watwitwa tomu. Abreni na what I say. Itimenye eja ho ene wa uyu phone na unya ntwa to MTN Momo no so na wo de box star 170 hash for MTN Momo. No one select a 4-digit PIN number.
Easy.
Then you re-enter that number. No? Now after this, you will receive a confirmation message. And what you say, BBR them you activate your man. What you say. But in an unlikely event, says some message now pop up and now what more they are contacting in various digital channels. No. And now where you see my MTN app no for further assistance. Now channel so say and they ubeti me. I'll link your bank account to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. And remember, MTN Momo is your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. We there for you everywhere you go. No. Patron Monday kwa twaba no. Unya pa. Otonso atuniye. All right, so say My birthday is on the 5th of December. And since you won't come on air on Saturday, I want you to wish me before time. My name is Joyce Ansa, aka Mamiama, and I'm blessed with one more year, which makes me 50. Wow. And I'm at Community 5 behind Pentecost. I'm a centrist who works around the old Aponchi clinic. Oh, okay. I'm say, oh, I'm a new shower. Barbering salon. Yeah, okay. Wow, 50 years. And happy 50th anniversary in advance. Why? Nyame on show. Na on ton kwandem o ma wa hoden. Ya o de be kan fie bebre no de be ma no e wo Yesu din. Enjoy your birthday. Joyce Ansa, aka Mamiama. Now, so for Yata, Medika, I wish your wife a happy birthday in advance. Nyame Adom Ochina. The 11th wedding anniversary and Ochina san ye wife birthday Mrs. Oforiata. Na ne wife no so no oye enter for it's not just a brother-in-law so AD ne birthday ochna. It's also happy birthday ni bi enkom out. That's right. So for Friata ne wife ne twin brother. Nyame onhira na onton kwandem.
Easy.
Abusua me ya dwuma ketua bi aba. Na fe ye de akana so. So in the meantime, shouts going out to you, my good friend Julian Okata Owusu. Yeah, Junior. Bibi aboko there. Tell one catch up.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
Hey, I'm pa.
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, when I'm for a bench. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Go slow. The maze is cement. Action for pizza in the maze. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm chino. Hey, me a funny. No more bomu. No baby, sorry, I'm no kuno. And here, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is here. We am bedroom marriage. One papa brown sana waba. So your constipation, I am chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, but we am so way. Hey, you severe I am chira. To who is sumo entrepreneur you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am rebogo. Your fan macha. On turn upon we am go fine. No bibiara reason. San Jaisu Yaba clinic away Jaisu WMP capsule. Appended to a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Nokia smartphones abano and no one be can wasem. Nokia new Android smartphones you are more megapixels. Nisenti e mau kwa maucha pictures ni videos pop baby. Nokia new Android smartphones you fast. So what they call internet content so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, umiaswa. Let them Nokia batteries there we are signal di one dance here. Or new Android phones you charge ya a jinaswa they say jinaso. Also when you bet new Nokia Android smartphones you will Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, and now Nokia C2, and now Nokia new slick phones or the Abanibi. Call phone shop be a bear. Now you will Nokia phones is here. Nokia, it keeps getting better.
That first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It's the start of friendships. It's you screaming your lungs out. It's the joy of your team's equalizer. The exhilaration of scoring the winning goal. It's a sigh of relief after hearing the final whistle. It's celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless, where you don't just watch it, you live it. MasterCard, official sponsor of UEFA Champions League.
Megami hu already.
Daddy, wait, ya want so be a one fa and can you sasa baku? Yatama ni pada brudia wo. Ya sama langa the fwe brim we na Ostek property for na mekase ko hu omo. E ko si say.
Na say me kuta 6,000 Ghana cedis pa. Metumi anya sase wo Ostek properties.
Ania, say me ka kire. Ko me sase no so di deyi ankasa. Jojo wa Asebi Shy Hills. Afie ayikuma. Asukari Junction. Any chopoli airport nyina. Omo wan sase wo.
Me kumi kura ni 200 blocks. And 10 cement bags. Oto sase no. Omo send the so free no.
Asa no dey bonus. Wo car. Na so pese wo so apedi ji asase mpo. E ya ma dodo. Say dan na wo pato. Ana wo pa high. Free Ostek properties.
Omo office no do wa. Omo fair service no opposite. 0240 933 740 and 0266 101 406. Ostek properties.
Omo yensase rankasa.
Everyone no pano do die. Na Ghana for be 5 million na ate what to say. Be emprenu. What trotro mo. Hajia watch line mo.
Have you heard? Say Airtel Tigo calls and you free. Sa busuminsia. Ayo, sa pepe. Say wuto Airtel Tigo sim. Now the Airtel Tigo money no did you me bia anopa calls and you free. Sa busuminsia. Spread the news here. Now wa weni tia. Konkonsano gele. Kojo Airtel Tigo sim and ya.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Menyanum Ghana for Mumayema NDC and the MPP. Electric shock, Papa Shocker. Omuntu means sorry, Bium. Koko. Electric shock. Number 4 on the ballot. 4.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Tune it in, turn it up, rip off the knob.
Adom FM 106.3 FM.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
From the top, the almighty street.
Cash on the mommy again, Chidi fit to do me like wobbe. Yeah, same taste, a pigeon lime and more. Yeah, Chidi make a craze with the body shape. Yeah, give me good soup on a Sunday. Follow for you on the first day. Me bow your dimmy nice one, yeah. Oh, you change my girl home for a while. Oh, you change my girl home for a while. All them other boys just be who's school, yeah. One big enough, say I do wow. One big enough, say I do wow. Never let you go, say I do wow. I put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little things, see I never. Put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little things, see I never.
I give you anything you want, make I know. Oh my girl, you blow my mind, yeah. Can you move like a boy, love me, come on. No need so money, my face, I know. Oh my girl, I know the lie. Everything, baby girl, you be everything. Show your body, be everything. So for your love, baby, I just sing. Yeah. You get back, no ass,
I put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little things, see I never. Put all the energy you give me in the song. All the good vibe you give me in the song. I put all the love that you give me to everything. My pretty little things, see I never. Send me a location that go come. I'm going to the moon and if I come back, send me a location that go come. Lord, you know I find you amusing. You find the way you are. Oh baby, I beg you, make you choose me. You know you find you special. Me you are.
and the quick came on me, Hamale. Oh, yeah. Tonight, make I tell you something. Don't rush, baby, take your time. All I want was to give you love. All I want was to make you smile. You are the sweetest girl, and now you move dangerous. Now you change so serious. Whoa, hey. Me say I feel what's the sun. Two bars you, baby girl, man, son. Right, what's you, baby girl, don't son. Two bars you, you the big man, shiver. Yeah, me say I know what's the sun. Two bars you, baby girl, man, son. Right, what's you, baby girl, man, son. Two bars you, baby girl, man, son. Me say whoa, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Son, call you don't pick up, but still late night, girl, you day online, eh? Me dreaming one girl, I know the bab. My dreaming who saw me, I know the bab, nah. Why you go do me like that? Yeah, why you do me like that? Why you go do me like that? Oh, no, 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 eh? Tonight, nigga, grab you some. Don't rush, really take your time. All I want was to make you smile. You are the sweetest girl. Now you move 106.3. Now you change so serious. Hey. Me say I feel what's the sun. Two bars you, baby girl, man, son. Right, what's you, baby girl, don't son. Two bars you, you the big man, shiver. Yeah, me say I know what's the sun. Two bars you, baby girl, man, son.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling you deep.
She wanna roll and smoke one thing. I'm out to give her a diamond ring. But she say other girls like my thing. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Expand your gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom. Up on the wag, baby say vroom.
Turn it up.
Take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. I rap on your thing, but we move. Even you where they catch my cruise. You know the vibes, you know the groove. Only why they miss my boo. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom. Up on the wag, baby say vroom vroom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. I got a girl, she a London thing. She wanna roll and smoke one thing. I'm out to give her a diamond ring. But she say other girls like my thing. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom. Up on the wag, baby say vroom vroom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom. Up on the wag, baby say vroom vroom.
It's the case so.
That's you saying. That's you saying. Yeah, from me saying. Matia shudum, mami jeme wa enje. Uhun same piece, we miss my soul mente. Things for you never lost. Because I have any choice. A mad do when they boss. Like I never lie when they sauce, you know. You are my sweet honey. Why do you see train da da? About in the sea, you are my sweet honey. Why do you see train da da? About in the sea, Casa na 21. Casa na
want femme for the kumio. Girl, I wanna get you on my telephone. I can come and go marry you. Show mama no one for me daddy you. I want femme for the kumio. Girl, I wanna get you on my telephone. I can come and go marry you. Show mama no one for me daddy you. You are my queen. Why do you see trade? Why do you see the one for me? Why do you see trade? Why do you see the Cause I'm into the Cause I'm into the
That's Joy B at the back with this one, Sweetie Pie. And it features King Promise. And she be near the Bibia by Riet. Nafi, you could be a weekend. We are Kotoyaba. What I say. A happy birthday going out to you, Nisi Tosu. From your mom, Auntie Mama of Connecticut in the United States of America. Yeah, happy birthday to you, dear.
You are my sweet.
Hello, Jerry. Please help me wish my dear mom a happy birthday in advance. She is the person of our Mama Comfort Asiedu, aka Auntie Abba of Inyan Dinchra. We figure it, we are finching.
Sweetie papa, Emane kumio, Mahofene kumio, Ubomidi, sweetie papa. Baby, you are the one for me. Oh, you are my dead dog.
A shout's going out to you, Sister Barbara. Oh, Sister Barbara to sing. My fro papa. Patrayana watch your kunu mama why. And good evening going out to you. Sofo SK. Nyaminipa SK APJ.
Go marry you. Show mama no one for me daddy you. One more femme bring me yo. Girl, I wanna hear you on my telephone. Come go marry you. Show mama no one for me daddy you. You are my queen. Why do we see trade? Why do we see real the one for
you're from Echo or DVLA. Tema. Miniana, I want to say, Mete won't catch a papa. Yanwa Boma Humum Kakra. Why? All right, enti the omunu say yedo AC na anwumre no sia kasebo atoaso e wa Adom 106.3 FM. Na the omu nyina ne say kodi weekend asundwem na unya din sa ewi na Monday nyame e de chewa obomoden a atitiaso sori ntem menye na kakra we na kakra da bi unim said this trip no because of coronavirus intino flow no kon said no crack can be tin ampanifo ama wochna ya Monday ya na holiday no so said be ya won ka say na me kwadwuma pressure so because of coronavirus protocols ni ade ko wash ko sanitize ko see social distance ni ade e be ma process ni be take time kakra ti patcho contem na koto for the last time koto abapa en koto abafun bia o I catch you. Check our time, baby. I'm sure do see. And when was I cast about Twasso? As now come out on here tonight. I Prim Sabri. That's the day come here. Producers no Papa Bill's African, James Town, J. Cole, and then to you, Prince. I feel so I said, don't come out, come your boy, dear, be some command, and I say, I'm for a J, Sister Sandy be a guy, I feel mommy boat. Your friend me Jerry Justice. As always, I say me about Copeusio, and we are no watch, I don't know what's reaction, it's not serious, Munipa and Seshi. Thanks so much for your time with us. Do have a great evening and a great weekend as well. We out of here.